Hi everyone, Alystar here. I'm here with a new quick and easy recipe on how to make a yummy chocolate mousse. Do like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Try out this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified for further videos. So let's get started. The ingredients for this chocolate mousse are 500 ml of whole milk, 3 slices of bread with the sides trimmed off, half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using Hersheys cocoa powder here. You can use Leonz dark chocolate cocoa powder for a rich flavor, 2 teaspoons of gelatin, a small packet of Oreo cookies, and a set of small dessert cups to serve it in. Now all we need to do is pour in all our ingredients except for the gelatin into the saucepan and bring them to a boil. You can see that I have broken the bread into small bits so it combines well. So let's do this. First we'll pour in our whole milk. The bread has been added to this. Now we'll add in our powdered sugar and mix together. Our cocoa powder, blend in, keep stirring till everything blends in well. We'll wait for it to boil. Keep stirring continuously so it all combines well. Once it's boiling, add the gelatin. And stir it well. This is done. We'll turn off the flame and let it cool till it comes to room temperature. To speed up the process, you can keep it under a fan. Once it's come to room temperature, we'll carefully pour the mix into a blender or a food processor. I'm using a food processor here. And once it's poured in, we'll cover it and give it a whir. Keep pulsing it so it gets mixed. Once it's completely blended, we'll have to strain the mixture to remove any lumps. Like so. It's completely strained. We'll pour the mixture into our dessert cups carefully. Don't fill it to the top. Just let it be half filled. Chill these in the freezer for a couple of hours or in the fridge overnight. Our chocolate mousse is ready to be served. It can be served either as it is, or you can decorate it by adding a bit of whipped cream or fresh cream like so. And top it with some bits of Oreo cookies like so. There, our chocolate mousse is ready. The best part is that this dessert is not only quick and easy to make, but is a definite party hit and can be made well in advance. So, hope you enjoy it. I've listed the ingredients and method in the description box below. Do check it out.